Good morning, happy humans. All right, let's go in. Take it up. Stretch. Nice back bend. Clasp the arms. Up on the toes. Slowly down. Arms down and slowly roll it. Wake your legs up. Wake your body up. Cross the arms. Elbows. Pull the head weight down. Breathe. Hold it. Today you're going to praise the Lord with me. All right, roll it up. We're going to do a jump lunge. This is good for the legs, tummy, all of that. Let's go. One. Proper form, knee over the heel. 2. 3, breathe. 4. So, okay. Pull it down and stretch it out. We're going to do an alternating lunge from down here. First, we're going to stretch it out. Yep.
It's real easy. Come on and play.
And feel free to roll it around. Okay, let's go. One leg. 2. Swap it out. 4. Very good. Take it back to a plank. And enjoy it. Arms strong, butt down, but not too down. Take it down to down dog. Look up. Keep those arms tight. Lovely. Sorry, put my bum away. Praise the Lord with my bum. Okay. And cow pose. Remember your knees should be slightly apart. Feet flat. Nice stretch. And pull those shoulders down to the floor so you can get a good arm stretch. Curl the toes under and give me a nice down dog. Palms down. If you cannot straighten your legs, bend them. Do not roll that back. Back straight. Hold it. And squat stretch. Squat. Keep those knees over the heels. Butt goes back. You're gonna hold it here. 3, 2, done. All right, turn it to the front. Straighten your shorts. And let's get the other side. You ready? You ready? You ready? You ready? Remember, if you can't jump it, just pull it back into a lunge. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh Lord. 4. Yeah. It's all good. No, I'm good. Okay. And back up. Stretch. Bend those knees slightly. Woo, and feel it throughout your life. Okay, let's alternate that lunge. Hold on to the floor. 1. Nice stretch. 2. All the way back. 2. 3. Keep that knee over your heel. 3. 4. 4. Good. 5. Come on. 5. Keep breathing. 6. 7. Last one. Very good. All right. Stretch it out. Slowly roll it up. Good job. One arm up. Opposite leg up. Flamingo. Push those hips forward. Reach for the sky. Swap it. Balance. Suck your tummy in if you find you're falling over. Roll it down 1 vertebrae at a time. Grab those elbows. Feet in. And I want you to wring your hips out. 1 knee forward, 1 knee back. 1 knee forward, 1 knee back. Woo! Had a good job. Okay, don't forget to praise the Lord with me. Yep. And don't forget to pray. And have a good day. Okay, bye.